Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here with an amazing exponential equation to solve. So let's start. In first step we are using our formula a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. To use this formula we will take our both terms 4 plus square root 15 and 4 minus square root 15. So it will be 4 plus square root 15 times 4 minus square root 15 is equal to will be a square means 16, 4's square means 16 and minus b's square mean square root 15's square will be 15. So it will be 16 minus 15. So we can write as 4 plus square root 15 times 4 minus square root 15 is equal to 1. Now if we divide both sides by 4 plus square root 15 at right hand side and left hand side, so it will be 4 plus square root 15 will be divided by 4 plus square root 15 and at left hand side we have 4 minus square root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root 15. So this equation will help us to solve our question. Now we will write our equation 4 plus square root 15 with power x plus 4 minus square root 15 with power x is equal to 62. Just copying our equation. So now we can write here 4 plus square root 15 with power x, and instead of this term we will write here 1 over 4 plus square root 15. As we know, 4 minus square root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root 15. Applying power x is equal to 62. So let's take 4 plus square root 15 with power x is equal to b. We can take any variable to solve our equation. So let's take it is equal to b. 4 plus square root 15 power x is equal to b. Now our equation will be b plus 1 over b is equal to 62. So what to do now? We can here multiply all the equation by b to get rid of fraction. So it will be b square plus 1 is equal, b will be divided by b, so it will be plus 1 is equal to 62b. So rearranging our equation, b square minus 62b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will take our quadratic formula according which minus b plus minus square root b 6 square minus 4ac over 2a. So substituting this value in our formula, we will write here minus times minus 62 plus minus 62 square minus 4, a's value 1 and c's value also 1 over 2 times 1, a's value 1. So after solving we will get 62 plus minus square of 62 will be 3844 minus 4 over 2. So it means 62 plus minus square root 3840. It was 3840 over 2. To find the root of 3840, we will find its factor. So dividing by 2, 1920, dividing by 2, 960, once again dividing by 2, 480, once again 240, 120, dividing by 260, dividing by 230, 15 times 2 30, and 3 times 5 and 5 times 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of 2. So we can write here 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 out, and 3 times 5 will be in square root. So writing here 62 plus minus 16 plus minus 16 times square root 3 times 5 or 15 our 2. So now dividing by 2, it will be 31. 31 times 2 will be 62, plus minus it will be 8. So finally we have 31 plus minus 8 times 15. Writing here 31 plus minus first we are taking our positive value 31 plus 8 times 15 square root 15, and second value is 31 minus 8 times square root 15. So first we will go with positive one. So now we will take here our original term, according which 4 plus square root 15 with power x was equal to b. So we will write here 4 plus square root 15's 4 plus square root 15's power x. 4 plus square root 15's power x is equal to 31 plus 8 times square root 15. So now we have to find something common in both the terms, both sides. So if we split 31 as 16 plus 15 plus plus 2 times 4 times square root 15. So I think it is matching with our term of left hand side. As we know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now if we consider 16 as 4 square, which will be the value of a, 4 square 4 means the value of a plus 15 square root 15 square, which will be 15 square root 15 square, which will be 15. So writing here 4 plus 15, 4 square plus 15 plus 2 times a means 4 and b means square root 15. So we can say 4 plus square root 15 with power 2 means square is equal to 4 plus square root 15 with power x. So if we have same base, then the exponents or powers will be equal. So 2 is equal to x. Here we have find first value of x. Now if we are taking negative 1, 4 plus square root 15 with power x will be same here, and now we are going with negative value 31 minus 8 times square root 15. So it will be same. So splitting it here, 16 plus 15 minus 2 times 4 times square root 15. So we can write it as 4 square minus plus 15 minus 2 times 4 times square root 15. So a minus b whole square is equal to 4 minus square root 15 square. Now we will compare our both terms. So here we have 4 minus square root 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root 15. Instead of that, we can write here negative 1 power of 4 minus square root 15. So first of all, we will write here our term 4 plus square root 15 with power x is equal to, instead of 4 minus square root 15, it could be written as 4 plus square root 15 with power negative 1. As we know, it was 1 upon 4 plus square root 15, and we can write here this with negative 1 power. So writing here square of it. So now we have x is equal to minus 2. It is our second value of x. First is x is equal to 2, and second value we have, and second solution we have found x is equal to minus 2. Here is our complete solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and keep watching.